Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So I'm going to show you what should you do in this situation if you are already logged in your account. So actually you need to open your Instagram application, and then in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines button, then Account Center, and then you need to scroll down and click on the password and security, then change password, and then you need to choose your Instagram account. So actually, as you can see, there is no option to see your password, so you need to go back to this page, settings and activity, and then click on the search bar, and then you need to type saved login. After that, this page will be automatically opened. You need to click on your Instagram account, and then in this interface you need to make sure you enable this option, saved login info. This is very important, because if you try to log into this account with your iCloud, with your another iCloud devices, their Instagram won't tell you about entering password, so you will be automatically logged in your account. So this is very important. Make sure you enable this option. So actually in this Instagram application there is no option to see your Instagram password. So but there is only one way how you can see your password. You need to go to your browser, and then in the search bar you need to type Instagram. After that, this Instagram will be automatically opened, or if not, you need to click on the first link on your browser, instagram.com. After that, you need to click on the login button, and then you need to click on this phone number option. So after that, at the bottom of the screen, you will see this autofill button. So you can actually click on this button, and then you can click on the show next to your password, and then your password will be shown. But it works even if you saved your number, your username and password to your iCloud. So if you didn't do this, you won't see this option, and you won't see your password. So even there is no another way how you can see your password, because Instagram has a very high privacy. And that's all, and that's how to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.